Hello and good afternoon to you all. I believe you're all doing good. How is your trading life going? I hope well. It's been a tough week, right? To God be the glory. I bring to you guys again a powerful strategy that I have once shared in my channel. But you know one good thing and beautiful about this strategy? It is a powerful price action strategy that you cannot get enough of. That's why I'm bringing it back to you guys. You know one thing with traders, we traders, or we traders, let me say over 70% of traders always switch strategy, and that is one big problem we have. Lack of patience. Following of one particular strategy is a very difficult thing for trader to stick with. When I share this strategy, I don't know if any of you ever tried trading with it, but I know most of you, few of you would have tried it because most people called me and told me how great and wonderful this strategy is. So without much further uh, 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 talk, this is one strategy that I've shared. If you can go through the video that I previously posted, you guys will see this strategy there, and it's been doing wonders. That's why I am recalling it. It is one strategy that once you are able to have patience, once you are able to exercise your patience very well, you are good to go. That's why I'm bringing back this strategy to your notice. I want you guys to take notice of this strategy. If you can stick with this strategy and abide by what I'm still going to say again or give details about this strategy, my subscribers, you will thank me later for this strategy. How does this strategy work? I mainly use this strategy on 15 minutes time frame. Then I use a 1 hour to analyze and use 5 minutes for my entry. This is a powerful strategy that you can never get enough of. How does this strategy work, guys? Now take a look. You can maximize and minimize. It doesn't repaint. You can maximize and minimize anyhow you want it. Now, how does this strategy work, guys? How does it work? Now, take a look. For you to take a trade in this strategy, for you to take a position, now, for example, you want to take a buy position. You want to take a buy position. Hmm? Now, first of all, you come to your indicator window 1, which is your MACD. Which is your MACD. Listen to what I'm saying, guys. First of all, the MACD must come down to the 10 level, must touch the 10 level, which is the buy zone. So another thing you'll be taking watch of. Now, watch guys. You the next step you take is when the price closes above the 50 exponential moving average, which is the red line in the main chart. Can you see that? The next thing you watch out is this our envelope here must touch the 10 and break the 20 level. And now you take a look at our RSI. Our RSI must be above the 50 level. And the previous low is our stop loss. This previous low is our stop loss. And what happened afterward? Take a look, guys. Take a look. What happened afterward? It went up. Can you see it bought? It bought. It went up until it got to this level. Can you see? Until it got to this level. And what happened afterward? Now take a look, guys. Take a look. Look now. After you must have taken this profit. Now take a look. What happened again? We'll come down to our indicator window 1. Now the MACD touched the 90 level, which is the sell zone. Which is the sell zone? That is number one signal you get. Now the second signal you get. Now take a look. It closes below the 50 exponential moving average. Below the 50 exponential moving average. Now you can take a look at our parabolic SAR forming from above, forming from this point. Can you see? Forming from here, showing you the signal. Can you see? And now look at our envelope. The envelope must touch the 90 and break the 80 level below. Now take a look at the RSI. RSI must cross below the 50 level. Are you guys seeing my explanation? And what happened? And what happened? Take a look, guys. It sold. Can you see, guys? It sold. Now, for you to take your place of take profit, you set your take profit at the previous support level, which is this level. Now, take a look, guys. Can you see? Which is this same level. You place your take profit there, which is the previous low. Can you see? You take your profit there. Why? Because you know why we took our profit there? The MACD also touches this level, which is the 10 level, which is the level 10, which is the buy zone. And you see, whenever it touches it, watch out for the next action. Now, let's push it. Now, take a look. It touches this level. Can you see? Sorry, guys. It touches the 10 level and crosses above. And crosses above. Likewise, this, can you see? The envelope touches the 10 level. And there's a crossover here. You patiently wait for all these process to complete, for all the rules to align together before you take your position. Now take a look. It closes here too. It goes above the 50 level. And what happened? It bought. It went up. You know why? Now, this is where the price action comes up. The trend line analysis comes up. Now, look at the way I always trade this. For me to trace this, for me to place a trade, whether buy, it is not all buy and sell that you take a position. Now, look at what I always do. I minimize this. I minimize my chart. Okay, let's say this level. Now, I go over to my 1 hour time frame. Can you see the way I drew my trend line? This trend line. Can you see this trend line? The way I drew it from the top. For you to know when there's a breakout or when the trend retraces and continue its movement, either upward movement or downward movement, you come to your 1 hour time frame and make your trend line. Can you see? Let me delete this. Now, okay, you place your trend line from the 1 hour time frame. Can you see how it aligns? Take a look, guys. Can you see how it aligns? From this point, can you see it touches 1, 2, 3, and whenever it touches, it keeps going down. It keeps going down. Can you see, guys? Can you see? Now, you also make another trend line from here. Another trend line from here. Take a look, guys. You make another trend line from this point down. Can you see? From the 1 hour time frame. The trend line will support your analysis from the technical technical indicators. It will give you a support, an edge to execute good trades. Can you see, guys? Now, Can you see? Now, take a look at this one too. I place this trend line for me to know. It enables me to know when there's a breakout, and it will support your technical analysis. Can you see, guys? Can you see what's happening? So we'll go down to our 5 minutes time frame. Now, the reason why I said that it's not all buying and sell that you always take. With the help of the trend line, now take a look at what happened here. Take a look at what happened here, guys. Where is that? Okay, I was giving an explanation. Hey, good. Now take a look. We made our trend line from the 1 hour time frame. Can you see? Whenever it touches that trend line, this trend line, it goes down. Except it breaks it in a 1 hour time frame, we will know that yes, there's a breakout. That was why I made that trend line, for you to know when the market will retrace, or when it gets to our pivot level and it will retrace, or when it gets to our resistance A, it will retrace. So these are our resistance. And you see, once it gets to this point, it retraces. And you see, that's the price action, guys. Once you align your price action with your technical analysis, it gives you in-depth knowledge of the direction of the trend. I don't know if you get me, guys. Now take a look. There was a signal here. We got a signal from our technical indicators. It gave us signal here at this point because the MACD touches the tail level. Yeah, it touches the tail level. You take notice of your trend line because you have made your trend line analysis already. Now it touches the tail level and breaks above the 50 exponential moving average. Now the envelope touches the tail level and breaks above the 20 level. And at this point, the RSI crosses above the 50 level. Now it made its way up, but due to the trend line analysis that we made, it touches that trend line and came down. It cannot go above that trend line. Why? Because there's no breakout. It touches that trend line. It went up, but it could not break that trend line. Can you see that? That was why it came down. So with trend line analysis, you have an edge over the market. And you see, even the previous signal it gave us, it touches this tail level, breaks above the 50 exponential moving average, because you take your trade where the parabolic star start appearing from under. That's when you know that you have the good signal. And the envelope touches the 10 and breaks above the 20 level. Now take a look at our RSI. It goes above the 50 level and it went up. Even on its way up, it got to that trend line. And you see, it made its way back down. It went up, but once it get to that trend line, it came down. That's why I keep telling you guys, keep making your analysis from the 1 hour. Just draw your trend line from the 1 hour time frame. Can you see the way it's been bouncing? It's been bouncing up and down. It's been bouncing up, down within those trend line that we made. And you see, it's been going up, down, up, down, up, down. Until even at this point, it broke out. It broke the support and came down. I don't know if you get me, guys. So we'll go back down to our 15 minutes time frame. Now take a look at this place, guys. Take a look at this place. There's something I want to show you. Now take a look. Take a look, guys. Even from here, at this point, okay, let's take it from this point. It touches the 90 level. Can you see, guys? It touches the 90 level. There's something I want to point out to you guys. Whenever the price breaks, if we are to take a sell position, whenever we get a signal, whenever we get a sell from this MACD at this 90 level, and the price breaks below the 50 exponential moving average, please, there should be always parabolic SAR above that price to ascertain the position you are taking, to make sure that the position you are taking is in line. Whenever parabolic SAR, if you are taking a sell position, whenever an parabolic SAR appears above, you are in good line with the position you are taking. But if you are taking a sell position and parabolic SAR appear from below, you know that that position is biased. I don't know if you get me, guys. So it breaks below this 50 exponential moving average. Now take a look at our envelope. Our envelope touches the 90 level and breaks below the 80 level. Our RSI closes below the 50 level. And what happened? It came down. It sold. It sold, guys. I don't know if you get me. Now it sold all the way down. Even at this point, take a look at this point. It touches the 10 level and closes above the 50 level. Mind you, these are stop loss. We'll place our stop loss at the previous low. Can you see? We'll place our stop loss at the previous low. It closes above the exponential 50 exponential moving average. Now take a look at this place. The envelope must touch the 10 and breaks above the 20 level for you to know that yes, our signal is in line. Now take a look, guys. It closes above the 50 level, the RSI. And what happened? It went up. It bought. It went up. Can you see, guys? Take a look. You know how many pips is this? It went up, right up. It continued going. Take a look, guys. This is one strategy that you can never overlook. I will advise you guys, always make your trend line from the 1 hour time frame. Make your trend line from the 1 hour time frame. It will help you to know the direction of the trend. Then come down to the 15 minutes time frame and start using this strategy. It will give you an edge over everything. Can you see? Now take a look. Now take a look, guys. Can you see? For you to know that, take a look at what happened here. Take a look at what happened here, guys. Now, for you to know that this strategy is one of the bomb. Don't be in a haste to take a position. But once the whole criteria in taking position comes up, once the this whole strategy, once it goes in line, you take your position. Now, take a look here. The MACD touches the 90 level, which is the sell level, but it failed to close below the 50 exponential moving average. Even when the envelope touches this 90 and breaks below the 80 level. Can you see? And the RSI went below the 50 level. But the price failed to close below the 50 level. And what happened? It didn't sell. It kept on going up. And you see, it kept on going on. Why? Because there is no close. The price did not close below the 50 exponential moving average. It continued going up. Can you see how wonderful this strategy is? Can you see? Now take a look. Take a look at what happened here. Take a look. The MACD touches the. You know one sweet thing about this strategy? It gives you early signal. It tells you when the market is about to buy and when the market is about to sell. It tells you get ready to buy or sell. Now it tells us to get ready at this point. Get ready. The market is about to sell. We patiently waited. The market ranged for a while at this point. It ranged for a while at this point. And what later happened? Now, it gives us signal from here that market is about to sell. Get ready. And now, The price closes below the 50 exponential moving average. Can you see? And look at our parabolics are coming from up, telling you that yes, it's a good signal. And now take a look at our envelope. The envelope touches the 90 level and closes below the 80 level. Can you see? Now take a look at the RSI. It went below the 50 level and it sold. It came down. It came down. Came down. It sold. This is a wonderful strategy. This is one wonderful strategy. Once you are not greedy, you are good to go. Once you are not greedy, you are good to go. Can you see? Closes. Touches this level and closes here. Can you see? Even if when you align it, can you see? Take a look. When you align it, you can see that it all goes in unison. And these are, do you know how many pips is this? Now take a look. It went up. Even when you use your cursor. Can you see? It goes in unison. You take your profit. Now let's go to the indicator settings. Now take these settings down, guys. I will share the settings again. These are parabolics are 0. The parameters are 0.02. The maximum is 0.2. Okay. Our fractal, we'll use a fractal to know how to align our trend line. These are fractal in the main chart, and this is our moving average. The period is 50, shift 0, method exponential, apply to close, style 4 pixel. Okay, that's for the main chart. In our indicator window 1, we have our relative strength index, that's the RSI. The parameters are period 1, apply to close, style 3 pixel. Use the color of your background. And the levels are 90, 90, which is the sell zone, 10, which is the buy zone, and use the color of your choice. Okay, our MACD. Okay, the parameters are fast EMA 12, slow EMA 26, MACD SMA 1, apply to close. The main is a 3 pixel, which is red. The signal is a 3 pixel, which is blue, and the level 0. You make use of the color of your choice. In our indicator window 2, we have our relative strength index, which is the parameters are period 1, apply to close, style 1, blue. These are the levels: 90 sell, 80, which is entry, 50, 20 entry, 10, so you input it that way. Our envelope, take a look, guys. The parameters are 1, shift 0, deviation 0.000, method smoothed, apply to close, upper band. Just put the settings there, guys. Our relative strength index, that's in the indicator window 3. Indicator window 3. The parameters are period 13, apply to close, style 2 pixel, blue. Now these are the levels, guys. Can you see, guys? This is a wonderful strategy you can never overlook. So powerful. Even at this point, take a look, guys. Take a look. It touches the 10 level, which is the buy zone, and closes above the 50 exponential moving average. Now take a look at our envelope. It touches the 10 level and breaks above the 20 level. And now take a look at our RSI. It closes above the 50 level. Once these conditions are met, you take your position. And what happened? It went up. It went up. Once you are not greedy, you keep hitting the market back and front, front and back. Now even take a look at this place. Once you have taken your profit at this point, okay, let me see. Taking your profit at this point, okay, when you are not greedy. Now, it even gave us another signal here to buy. Tells you to get ready to sell. Sorry. get ready to sell, and it touches here. And you see what happened? It touches here. It tells you to get ready to sell. And what happened? It closes below the 50 exponential moving average. It touches this level. You patiently wait until it closes below the 50 exponential moving average in the main chart. And what happened? It closes below the 50 level. And what happened? It sold. Come on, guys, key into this. I want you guys to like, share, and comment. I want you guys to let me know what your experiences are with this strategy. I promise you guys, there's something, at times we'll come across an opportunity, and due to how haste we are in life, you get to overlook that thing. But I'm bringing it back to you guys for you to know how powerful and essential this strategy is. This strategy can make you rich once you are patient and know what you are doing. Follow the rules and guidelines of this strategy. I want you guys to share, comment, subscribe to my channel. I promise you guys that I will keep bringing vital information that will enrich you all. Let's grow together, guys. Love you guys.